you're locked out of your Samsung, or you just got a new one, or something went wrong and your messages are gone. Before you panic, Samsung actually has 4 built-in ways to get your messages back. Most people don't know any of them exist. I'm going to walk you through all 4 in order from easiest to most involved. One of them will probably solve your problem in the next 10 minutes. And if none of them do, I'll tell you exactly what your options are after that. Section 1. Check the trash first. This is the one everyone skips, and it solves the problem more often than you'd think. If you deleted messages recently, Samsung's Messages app has a trash folder, just like your email. Deleted messages sit there for 30 days before they're permanently removed. Here's how to check it. Open the Samsung Messages app, tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. That's the More Options menu. Tap Trash. If your messages are in there, touch and hold the ones you want, then tap Restore. Or if you want everything back, tap Restore All. That's it. 30 seconds. Check this before you do anything else. Section 2. Restore from Samsung Cloud. If the trash didn't have what you need, Samsung Cloud is your next stop. If your phone was set up with a Samsung account and backup was enabled, your messages may be sitting in the cloud. Here's how to do it. On the phone where you want the messages restored, go to Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then tap Restore Data under the Samsung Cloud section. You'll see a list of devices that have been backed up. Choose the one you want to restore from. Select Messages, tap Restore, and when it's done, tap Done. 2 things to know. First, you need to be logged into the same Samsung account. If you don't remember the details, you'll need to recover access before this will work. Second, this only restores what was backed up. If backup wasn't enabled, the most recent messages may not be there. But if backup was running, this is the fastest complete solution. Section 3. Restore using Smart Switch. Smart Switch is Samsung's official tool. If someone backed up to a physical storage device, an SD card or USB flash drive, this is how you get it back. Connect the storage device to the Galaxy phone. Open the Smart Switch app. If it's not already installed, it's a free download from the Galaxy Store. Select the storage device icon, tap Restore, choose Messages from the list of content, and tap Restore again. When it's finished, tap Done. Smart Switch is also the method to use when transferring data to a brand new Samsung device. If your old phone works, Smart Switch handles the entire transfer wirelessly or via cable. It transfers messages, contacts, photos, apps, everything. Quick note, if you've already tried these steps and your messages still aren't there, PhoneDataRecovery.com offers a free diagnostic and a no data, no charge guarantee. We won't charge you anything unless we actually recover your files. Link is in the description. Recovery success depends on damage and the situation. Results vary by device. Section 4. Restore from Google Drive. Samsung phones also back up to Google Drive. It's called Backup by Google One, and a lot of people have this running without realizing it. Here's how to check. Go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup, then look for Backup Data under Google Drive. If it shows a recent backup date, your data is there. To restore, you typically need to do a factory reset. During the setup process, Android will ask if you want to restore from a Google backup. That's where you select it. Note, if you're already past the setup screen, you'd need to reset to access it. Make sure you want to go that route. And make sure you have your Google account credentials ready. Section 5. When none of this works. Samsung's guidance mentions third-party recovery tools as a last resort. I want to be straight with you. The market for third-party phone recovery software is full of products that don't do what they claim. Some charge you up front and keep your money. A small number of legitimate tools exist, but they have significant limitations. If all 4 methods fail, it's likely a physical recovery situation. That means accessing the storage chip directly. You need to bypass the software layer and extract what's still on the hardware. That's what we do. And we don't charge you anything unless we actually get the data back. Quick recap. Check the trash first, then try Samsung Cloud, then Smart Switch, then Google Drive. If all 4 come up empty, the data may still be recoverable, but you're past self-service options. Free diagnostic at PhoneDataRecovery.com. We'll tell you exactly what you're dealing with. Link in the description. Subscribe for a new video every week. Practical, honest answers about phone data recovery. See you on the next one.